Managing high-volume payments in your Wix dashboard can streamline your business operations and enhance customer satisfaction. Follow these steps to effectively handle payments. Step 1. Access your Wix dashboard. Log into your Wix account and navigate to the dashboard. This is where you can manage all aspects of your website, including payment settings. Step 2. Set up payment methods. Go to the Payment section in your dashboard. Here, you can choose and configure various payment methods such as credit cards, PayPal, and other options to accommodate high-volume transactions. Step 3. Enable automatic payment processing. In the Payment settings, enable automatic payment processing. This feature allows transactions to be processed without manual intervention, ensuring efficiency during peak times. Step 4. Monitor payment reports. Regularly check the Reports section to monitor your payment activity. This will help you identify trends, track high-volume periods, and manage cash flow effectively. Step 5. Optimize your checkout experience. Review and optimize your checkout process to reduce cart abandonment. Ensure it is user-friendly and quick, which can help manage high volumes of payments more efficiently. By following these steps, you can effectively manage high-volume payments in your Wix dashboard, ensuring a smooth experience for both you and your customers.